One way is to go to the Craftsuprint website. Click on the free stuff at the top. Click here to get your freebie. Next, scroll down and enter your email address here. Then confirm your email and click Submit. We will then send you your fun freebie. If you don't have a printer, or if you're having trouble downloading from your mobile device, don't worry, Crafty Bob will print the sheets for you for free. Simply click on the Add to Cart button here and check out in the normal way. A small postage charge will be added and every printed weekly giveaway will receive a free £3 craft gift. Another way to get your freebie is from your dashboard. Let me log in. After you log in, click on Freebies, bottom left. Then click on Weekly Giveaway. You can download your freebie here by clicking on Click here to download.